Hey, what's up guys? Kevin McMullen here, and today I wanted to talk to you about me being debt-free at the age of 28. I have no mortgage, my house is paid off, no student loan debt anymore, and my credit cards are paid off, no personal loans, yada yada yada. And the way I got there was by using debt, surprisingly. And it's something that not a lot of people talk about, but really the quickest way to get out of debt is to get into more of it. And there is a good debt and there is a bad debt. Most consumer debt on credit cards and whatnot that you get when you're shopping is going to put you in bad debt, and it's going to cost you money. Things like houses or cars that you can make a little bit of money on that you go into debt to get would be a good debt, right? Because you get your amount that you put into it and you make extra, and you can use that to pay down other debt. And that's pretty much how I did it. I was working my way into it, but I didn't really get hardcore about getting out of debt until about 2 years ago. And I got out of well over $100,000 in debt. And not only that, but I'm in a bigger house that's nearly twice the size of my old house. And it's, paid off, like I said. So, without going into too much detail and boring you guys to death, I just wanted to let you know that it is possible. And if you put your mind to it, it could happen. I also quit my job too when I first started this 2 years ago. I started my business 2 years ago. Quit my job that I was making, halfway decent money at. And so I really started at no income plus a ton of debt. So it's possible for any of you guys to do it. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. If you like this video, please like it. If you didn't like it, unlike it or dislike it. But I'd like to hear what you guys have to say. And if you guys have any real estate or car questions or finance questions, I'm no expert. But I was able to pull off becoming debt-free at 28. However, I am not going to stay debt-free. I'm going to continue to use debt to get myself further ahead. And I think it's really the quickest way to get ahead financially because, saving your way there is never going to happen, So please leave comments, like it, share it. And if you guys want any more videos, maybe more in depth on the processes I used and, kind of the way I organized my debt at the time to get out of it, please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm going to be trying to produce more videos than normal. We'll see how it goes though. All right, because I got a busy schedule, sorry. And I try and get to these when I can. About to hit 3,000 subscribers. Really appreciate it that you guys are sticking around and spreading the word out to get more subscribers. I really appreciate that. And I'll go ahead and see you guys on the next video. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.